All right, 16.04. As I say, we're moving quickly through this one because it's a lot of review. So we've talked about when you establish what a thing is, that you would then say what it's made of, what's the predominant material, just to sort of set it up. And same things we've done before. I don't know if we actually spelled clay or ceramic, but we did plastic, glass, rubber, metal, paper. Book uses fabric. I've also seen in Northeast Ohio fabric and wood. So you can say wood or doesn't really matter. It's two signs. So in either order, object, adjective, adjective, object, that works. If you're going to add an attachment, so wood, ball, metal, handle. Okay. So once you pick a pattern, it's good to stick with it. It'll be the clearer. A little bit less clear, but if you do wood, boom. So there's the order of simple grammatical setup. And then once you've got an attachment to show that it's a lid, a pump, a handle, all we're adding in is the use. If it's a lid, we turn it. If it opens up, if it's a crank handle, once we've described it, then we show it. So a couple of little practice things. Draw the shape. For most things like that, we know. Draw the shape. The third one, the nail polish one. So just draw the shape. We haven't really talked about the effect of like spraying something, but so the ICL is to show the use of the object. We did handles and we did purses. So again, whatever the material is, boom, and then here's where the ICLs are really important. So, because you don't really have to draw it. We know what a light switch does. Can't coordinate. Here we go. Okay. So just think about the object you're talking about. Draw the bit. The last thing should be the thing that you move, and then you move it and show the effect. So again, 16.04. He's a tiny, tiny, tiny little one. Teeny tiny little one. And the big thing is the ICLs that we're adding on.